Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new to today's video, I'm going to be trying this weird contraption. You've probably seen it all over TikTok. I don't know why it's got such a long handle or this weird cauldron type thing at the bottom. But this is an eyeliner tool. That's silicone. I've not actually really I've seen other people using this, but I've not like looked up to see exactly how I should be using it or anything like that. So bear with me. We're just going to go in. So I'm guessing. Okay. Can you see this? I still don't know why it's got such a long handle. Right, this is going to be a test. Holy crap. It's actually made like a nicer line than the last one I just tried. The wing is always my nemesis because I'm just not good at these at all. So let's see. I feel like getting it evenly on. It's like the hard part. I just can't believe that such a weird big tool is making such a neat line. Wow. Like it's not perfect, but it's not. I think if you wanted to blend it out as well. Should we do the other eye and see what happens? Like it's dried on a little bit. So I wouldn't say let it get too kind of caked up. I mean, it didn't come with any instructions. It came from Shein. Wait, did it come from Shein or did it come from Temu? I'll have to check. What I like is you can sort of like scoop over the top of your eyelashes and pull your eyelashes out of the way. And it sort of glides over. Now, what I find if I ever do eyeliner, the eyelashes get in the way and it drives me crazy. It's not as neat. Kind of went just a little bit thicker on this side. Because my eyeliner is just a little bit on the older side. Put some Duraline in it. Oh crap. Oh, this is that TikTok video all over again. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. Because that was me, that wasn't the eyeliner. But I will say it was caused by the tool. So I think don't let it build up on the bottom of the tool. Okay, this side is not as good. I'm gonna try waterline. Best waterline tool ever. Don't mind my eyes looking all bloodshot, it's just because I've touched something to my eyeball. So final verdict. It's not the easiest tool in the world to use, but if you really like a gel liner and you don't get on well with brushes, this might be for you because you're using it in a slightly different way. You need like a really, really fluid type gel liner for it though, because as soon as the gel starts to dry, it starts to drag. So like when I did the first one, obviously the gel was really nice and fresh on the back of my hand, and then obviously with the gel pot even just being open and it being that little bit more sticky, I didn't like it at all. The Duraline just made it a little bit too much, which is why I saw it transferred onto my eyelashes and ultimately onto my eye. But I think if you're using it on your own and it's your own makeup, dipping straight into the pot and then just sort of cleaning off the excess on the back of your hand or a palette, that's the way to go, because then you can dip in and get fresh stuff every time. Is it a bit gimmicky? Yes. Was it expensive? No. I wouldn't spend a lot of money on it, but just something a little bit different. And if you're not really very good at, like the kind of hand, if you prefer like this, you can actually stabilize your arm against your body. It's a little bit gimmicky, but it actually kind of works. So yeah, I'm not really 100% sold on it, but I think that's more the eyeliner than anything else. I really just don't wear eyeliner. I got eye surgery and everything just to try and like be able to wear eyeliner more, and now I get it to where I can open my eyes. You can still see lid as well as eyeliner. before my surgery, it was literally just eyeliner that you would see, so I didn't like the way that that looked. But I haven't really had a chance to wear eyeliner. Usually, like, I'm in a hurry to go out if I'm wearing makeup. Like, I don't want to try and do eyeliner and ruin it, or I just don't wear it on the daily. So like, if I'm going out and I've got makeup on, I'm not like rushing to put eyeliner on. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Share it with your friends if you think it'll benefit anybody, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.